Okay, Chase, what are we making for supper tonight?
Chili.
Chili. So what we have to do first is we have to prep our vegetables that are going in it. So Chase, what's in our manual food processor?
Onions.
Onions.
One peeled off.
Yep, Chase peeled the onions for us. And we're also going to add in
Peppers.
peppers. So throw one of those in. Now throw another one in. No, not the jalapenos because Daddy only likes jalapenos. Now we're going to put the lid on. And go to town, Chase. Here, push. And our manual food processor is chopping everything up for us. Okay, let me see. Good job. You want to try? Go for it. Good job. Okay, we're done. Now let's take the lid off. Now, those blades are very sharp. Be careful, please.
Okay.
And it has chopped our onion and our peppers all together.
If anybody wants to get that out, please be careful. It might hurt you.
Yes, the blades might hurt you. So, our peppers and onions are done, and we're ready to start our chili.